The appearance of Krishna is the answer to all imaginative iconography of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. In Brahma Samhita, it is said that Lord is the oldest person. Therefore, a section of religionists imagine that God must be very old. But the same Brahma Samhita also asserts that although he is the oldest of all living entities, he has his eternal form as fresh youth. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Sri Krishna says, I am not exposed to anyone and everyone. And Acharyas have confirmed it, saying, Lord Krishna appears with his own sweet will to relish the wonderful pastimes with his beloved devotees. Lord Krishna also says in Bhagavad Gita that my devotees are never vanquished. Therefore, once upon a time, when the world was overburdened by the unnecessary defense force of demoniac kings, the predominating deity of this earth, known as Bhumi, went to Brahma to tell of her calamities. Brahma, accompanied by demigods Lord Shiva and Bhumi Devi, chanted Vedic prayers Purush Sukta, and Lord reciprocated in his heart that he will soon descend to relieve and give pleasure to his devotees and annihilate the demons. Not much after that, Vasudev, the son of Sursen, married Devaki, and Devaki's demoniac brother Kansa voluntarily decided to take the reins of their chariot to please her sister while sending her with Vasudev.
My dear sister Devaki, I am so glad on your marriage that I myself can drive your chariot. Kamsa, you are such a fool. You are driving the chariot of your sister and brother-in-law, but you don't know the eighth son of the sister will kill you.
Vasudev, seeing Kansa killing his own sister Devaki, pacified the situation.
For now, let me save the life of Devaki. Later on, I shall see. My dear brother-in-law, please consider no danger from your sister. If there are any sons born of her, I will present all of them to you.
One after the other, Kansa killed all 6 sons of Devaki. The 7th son, Balram, was transferred to womb of Rohini by Yogmaya, and as the 8th son, Lord Krishna himself appeared, whom Vasudev carried to Nanda Baba place overnight. Putna, dressed like a beautiful woman, visited Mother Yashoda's house.
I have to be careful with this boy and feeding my poisonous milk. He has the potency to destroy the whole universe.
No one is here. You will see the real Putna now.
Save me! Oh child, leave me! Leave me!
After killing Putna, little Krishna pleased not only Maya Yashoda, Rohini, and Nanda Baba, but the entire Vraj Dham with his wonderful pastimes. Sometimes running behind the cows and calves, sometimes eating in sulas, other times playing with wooden toys. Vrajvasis were immensely happy with Krishna while swinging his cot, watching him eat curd, butter, and playing hide and seek. Krishna and Balram filled the entire Vraj with bliss by performing his divine Bal Leela. And then one day,
Is my Krishna alright?
The children just told me that such a heavy cart was broken by our dear Krishna by hitting his leg against the wheel.
How can you believe that? I saw. Oh, he is just my little Krishna.
That was killing of demon Shaktasura by our little baby Krishna.
Hey, Hari, what a strong wind! I can't see anyone. Krishna? Where
Yashoda, he is up in the sky. It seems a demon is holding him.
Hey, Hari! Please protect my child!
How wonderful! How did you kill such a great demon, Krishna?
Hey, Krishna! Are you alright? Are you alright,
And
my child?
it was the killing of demon Trunavata.
Then Krishna surprised Maya Yashoda one day by his universal form.
Do you know Krishna has eaten mud?
Krishna, did you really eat? Why did you eat? Look what he is saying. He said he is not eating.
Is it this? Then open your mouth and show Maya.
Oh, amazing! I can see the entire universe and myself into your mouth. How is it possible? No. This is all illusion. He is not all that. He is just my little Krishna.
Sweet Damodar pastime.
I'm hungry.
I can smell something. I think milk has come from the pot. I have to run. What is all this thing? What to do with this boy? Today I'm going definitely punish you. Stay here until I come back.
Maya didn't feed me properly. Now she bound me up here. Now I'm going to be more mischievous. Oh Lord, all sorts of all auspiciousness. We, Manigriv and Nal Kubera, are so grateful to Sage Narada that by his grace we are able to see you personally. You have developed ecstatic love for me. This is your last life. Now you can go to your father's place and remain engaged in devotional service. You will be liberated this life.
Divine Fruit Vendor Leela.
Fruits, Vrindavan sweet fruits. Anybody want Vrindavan sweet fruits?
I want fruits, but I have only these grains. Is it enough for your fruits?
All yours, Krishna. All yours. All yours, Krishna. All yours. When Krishna is there, there is no loss. It's always a gain, million times.
Killing of Vatsasur.
Ram, see, we have a new calf in our group. Come, let's play with him.
Well said, Krishna. But be careful. I hope you understand what I am saying. See, I told you. Krishna, be careful.
You disguised demon, I'll send you back to your home.
It was the killing of demon Vatsasur. And here is Balram inquiring about calves and boys stolen by Brahma.
My dear Krishna, this time you have successfully hid your mystic pastimes from me. What are you saying, dear brother? I can see all mothers are giving extra love to their children. Even cows are loving their calves more than usual. Can you tell me the cause of this? It's due to Brahma. Oh, I see. So he hid all our cowherd friends and calves. So you expanded yourselves in the houses of Vrindavan. Their love for me has no measure, Dao Bhaiya. How long will this last? Let's see.
Brahma's apology to Krishna.
My dear Lord, it has been a year I have hid your friends and calves. Please forgive me for keeping your devotees away from you. People may say that I am the master of Veda and creator of the universe, but it has been proved now. I can't understand you. Please accept my humble obeisances until the annihilation of the material world.
Krishna is indeed wonderful. Demigods have rightly said, the way of understanding you is not to study your absolute nature, form, and activities by mental speculation. One must engage himself in devotional service. Then one can understand your absolute nature. While praying during the advent of Lord Krishna, demigods further said, you are the source of pure goodness. In Bhagavad Gita, it has been rightly said, one who takes the devotional service, they remain affectionately attached to their Lord.
Hare Krishna. Now let us take a look at another pastime of wonderful Krishna through a dance called Madhumekum Kanni. It is a conversation where Krishna insists to go out and graze his cows. But out of concern, Mother Yashoda tries to stop him using various tactics, making him very upset. First, she bribes him, "Oh my dear boy, please do not go out in this scorching hot sun. Instead, I will make you some hot milk, some sugar crystals, and even a handful of butter. Oh, please don't stop me, dear mother. I promise to be back in just one moment after happily grazing my cows." Next, she scares him. "Along the banks of Yamuna, there are thieves that would beat you and make you cry, my darling." "Oh, mother, have you seen a thief that would torment another thief? However, if they do attack me, I will cut them into pieces." "Oh well, on Govardhan Hill, there are ferocious animals that may attack you, and you would be very scared, my darling." "Oh, mother, what are you saying? All the animals are my friends, and they would come running to greet me. However, if they do decide to gang up on me, I will fight and win them." Well, finally, Mother Yashoda says, "When your beloved father comes home and asks for you, what shall I say, my darling?" "Don't worry, mother, I've got that covered as well. Tell him that I'm playing ball with the other boys, and even before you come searching for me, I will run and be home." Krishna, being Krishna, wins every single argument and finally heads out. The music and the choreography is adapted from Sri Devi Nityalaya School.
மேற்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். மாடு மேற்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். மாடு மேற்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். காய்ச்சின பால் தரேன், கற்கண்டு சீனி தரேன். காய்ச்சின பால் தரேன், கற்கண்டு சீனி தரேன். கையிறைய வெண்ணெய் தர வெயிலே போக வேண்டாம். காய்ச்சின பால் தரேன், கற்கண்டு சீனி தரேன். கையிறைய வெண்ணெய் தர வெயிலே போக வேண்டாம். மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். மாடு மேய்க்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன். காய்ச்சின பால் வேண்டாம், கற்கண்டு சீனி வேண்டாம். காய்ச்சின பால் வேண்டாம், கற்கண்டு சீனி வேண்டாம். உல்லாசமாய் மாடு மேய்த்து ஒரு நொடியில் திரும்பிடுவேன். உல்லாசமாய் மாடு மேய்த்து ஒரு நொடியில் திரும்பிடுவேன். காய்ச்சின பால் வேண்டாம், கண்டு சீனி வேணா உல்லாசமாய் நாடுவேன் ஒரு நொடியில் திரும்பிடுவேன் போக வேண்டும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாதே நீயே போக வேண்டும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாதே நீயே யமுனா நதி கரையில் எப்பொழுது கழ்வர் பயம் யமுனா நதி கரையில் எப்பொழுது கழ்வர் பயம் கழ்வர் வந்து உன்னை அடித்தால் கலக்கிடுவாய் கண்மணியே கழ்வர் வந்து உன்னை அடித்தால் கலக்கிடுவாய் கண்மணியே யமுனா நதி கரையில் எப்பொழுது கழ்வர் பயம் கழ்வர் வந்து உன்னை அடித்தால் கலக்கிடுவாய் கண்மணியே ஆடு மேற்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன் கழ்வனுக்கோ கள்ளருண்டோ கழ்வனுக்கோ கள்ளருண்டோ கண்டதுண்டோ சொல்லும் அம்மா கழ்வனுக்கோ கள்ளருண்டோ கண்டதுண்டோ சொல்லும் அம்மா கழ்வர் வந்து என்னை அடித்தால் கண்ட துன்பம் செய்திடுவேன் கழ்வர் வந்து என்னை அடித்தால் கண்ட துன்பம் செய்திடுவேன் கழ்வனுக்கோ கள்ளருண்டோ கண்டதுண்டோ சொல்லும் அம்மா கழ்வர் வந்து என்னை அடித்தால் கண்ட துன்பம் செய்திடுவேன் போக வேண்டும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாத நீயே கோவர்தனகிரியில் கோரமான மிருகம் உண்டு கோவர்தனகிரியில் கோரமான மிருகம் உண்டு கரடி புலிகள் கண்டால் கலங்கிடுவாய் கண்மணியே கரடி புலிகள் கண்டால் கலங்கிடுவாய் கண்மணியே கோவர்தனகிரியில் கோரமான மிருகம் உண்டு கரடி புலிகள் கண்டால் கலங்கிடுவாய் கண்மணியே ஆடு மேற்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன் காட்டு மிருகங்களெல்லாம் என்னை கண்டால் ஓடி வரும் காட்டு மிருகங்களெல்லாம் என்னை கண்டால் ஓடி வரும் கூட்டம் கூட்டமாக வந்தால் வேட்டையாடி ஜெயித்திடுவேன் கூட்டம் கூட்டமாக வந்தால் வேட்டையாடி ஜெயித்திடுவேன் காட்டு மிருகங்களெல்லாம் என்னை கண்டால் ஓடி வரும் கூட்டம் கூட்டமாக வந்தால் வேட்டையாடி ஜெயித்திடுவேன் போக வேண்டும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாத நீயே போக வேண்டும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாத நீயே பட்சம் உள்ள நந்த கோபர் பாலன் எங்கே என்று கேட்டார் பட்சம் உள்ள நந்த கோபர் பாலன் எங்கே என்று கேட்டார் என்ன பதில் சொல்வேனடா என்னுடைய கண்மணியே என்ன பதில் சொல்வேனடா என்னுடைய கண்மணியே பட்சம் உள்ள நந்த கோபர் பாலன் எங்கே என்று கேட்டார் என்ன பதில் சொல்வேனடா என்னுடைய கண்மணியே ஆடு மேற்கும் கண்ணே நீ போக வேண்டாம் சொன்னேன் வளரோடு வீதியிலே வந்தாடுதான் என்று சொல்லு வளரோடு வீதியிலே வந்தாடுதான் என்று சொல்லு தேடி எடி வருகையிலே ஓடி வந்து நின்றிடுவேன் தேடி எடி வருகையிலே ஓடி வந்து நின்றிடுவேன் வளரோடு வீதியிலே வந்தாடுதான் என்று சொல்லு தேடி எடி வருகையிலே ஓடி வந்து நின்றிடுவேன் போக வேண்டும் தாயே தடை சொல்லாதே நீயே 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 தடை சொல்லாதே நீயே தடை சொல்லாதே நீயே
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 2, Chapter 4, verses 12 to 24. Shukadev Goswami's prayers. Verse 12. Shri Shuka Uvacha Namaha Parasmai Purushaya Bhuyase Sad Udbhavasthana Nirodha Leelaya Grihita Shakti Tritayaya Dehinam Antarbhavayanupalakshya Vartmane. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Shukadev Goswami said, "Let me offer my respectful obeisances unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who, for the creation of the material world, accepts the three modes of nature. He is the complete whole residing within the body of everyone, and his ways are inconceivable."
Verse 13. Bhuyo namasya vrijneshide satam asambhavaya khila sartvamurtaye pumsam punah paramahamsya ashrame vyavasthitanam anumregyadasuse. Translation by His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. I again offer my respectful obeisances unto the form of complete existence and transcendence, who is the liberator of the pious devotees from all their distresses, is the destroyer of the further advances in atheistic temperament of the non-devotee demons. To those who are situated in complete transcendence, He provides them their specific destination.
Text 14. Namo namaste swarishabhaya sapadam vidurakashtaya muhuku yoginam nirasta samyatishaye radasa swadamani brahmani ramsyate namaha. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Jai Srila Prabhupada. Let me offer my respectful obeisances unto He who is the associate of the members of the Edu dynasty and who is always a problem for the non-devotees. He is the supreme enjoyer of both the material and spiritual worlds, yet He enjoys His own abode in the spiritual sky. There is no one equal to Him because His transcendental opulence is immeasurable.
2:450. Yat kirtanam yat smaranam yadikshanam yad vandanam yad shravanam yad arhanam lokasya sadhyo vidunoti kalmasham tasmai subhadra shravase namo namaha. Translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Let me offer my respectful obeisances unto the all-auspicious Lord Sri Krishna, about whom glorification, remembrances, audience, prayers, hearing and worship can at once cleanse the effects of all sins of the performer.
Vichakshanaya charanopasadanat sangam yudasyo bhayatontra atmanah vintanti he brahmagatim gataklamas tasmai subhadra shravase namo namaha. Let me offer my obeisances again and again unto the all-auspicious Lord Sri Krishna, the highly intellectual. Simply by surrendering onto His lotus feet are relieved of all attachments to present and future existences, and without difficulty progress towards spiritual existence.
तपस्विनो दान परायशस्विनो मनस्विनो मन्त्रविदः सुमङ्गलाः क्षेमं न विन्दन्ति विना यदर्पणम् तस्मै सुभद्रा श्रवसे नमो नमः. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Let me offer my respectful obeisances unto the all auspicious Lord Sri Krishna again and again, because the great learned sages, the great performers of charity, the great workers of distinction, the great philosophers and mystics, the great chanters of the Vedic hymns, and the great followers of Vedic principles cannot achieve any fruitful result without dedication of such great qualities to the service of the Lord.
किरातहुन्नान्द्र पुलिन्दपुल्काशः अबीरशुम्बा यौवना कसादयः ये अन्यछ पाप यदापश्रय अश्रयः सूद्यन्ति तस्मै प्रभविष्णवे नमः. Translation by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Kirata, Huna, Andhra, Pulinda, Pulkasha, Abira, Shumba, Yavana, members of the Kasa races and even others addicted to sinful acts can be purified by taking shelter of the devotees of the Lord due to His being the supreme power. I beg to offer my respectful obeisances unto Him.
सएषात्मात्मवतामधीश्वरः त्रयीमयो धर्ममयस्तपोमयः गतव्यनीकैरजशङ्करादिभिः वितर्क्य लिङ्गो भगवान् प्रसीदताम्. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Jai Srila Prabhupada. He is the super soul and the supreme lord of all self-realized souls. He is the personification of the Vedas, religious scriptures and austerities. He is worshipped by Lord Brahma and Shiva and all those who are transcendental to all pretensions. Being so revered with awe and veneration, may that Supreme Absolute be pleased with me.
Verse 20. Shriyaha patiryajapatihi prajapatir Dhiyam patir lokapatir dharapatihi Patir gataschandhakavrishni satvatam Prasidatam me Bhagavan satam patihi. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. May Lord Sri Krishna, who is the worshipable Lord of all devotees, the protector and glory of all the kings like Andhaka and Vrishni of the Yadu dynasty, the husband of all goddesses of fortune, the director of all sacrifices and therefore the leader of all living entities, the controller of all intelligence, the proprietor of all planets, spiritual and material, and the supreme incarnation on the earth, the supreme all in all, be merciful upon me.
Verse 21. Yadangra vidyana samadhidautaya diyyanupashyanti hitatvamatmanah vadanti chaitat kavayo yatarucham same mukunto bhagavan prasidatam. Translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami, Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. It is the personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, who gives liberation.
by thinking of his lotus feet at every step. Following the footsteps of authorities, the devotees in trance can see the absolute truth. The learned mental speculators, however, think of him according to their whims. May the Lord be pleased with me.
प्रचोदितायेन पुरा सरस्वती वितन्वताजस्य सतीं स्मृतिं हृति स्वलक्षणा प्रादुरभूत् किलश्यता समे ऋषीणां वृषभा प्रसीदताम्. Translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. May the Lord, who in the beginning of the creation amplified the potent knowledge of Brahma from within his heart and inspire him with full knowledge of creation and of his own self, and who appeared to be generated from the mouth of Brahma, be pleased with me.
Verse 2, 423. निर्मायशेते यदमोषु पूरुषः भुङ्क्ते गुणान् षोडशात्मकः सोऽलङ्कृशिष्टा भगवान् वचांसि मे. Translation by Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. May the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who enlivens the materially created bodies of the elements by lying down within the universe, and who, in his Purusha incarnation, causes the living beings to be subjected to the 16 divisions of material modes, be pleased to decorate my statements.
नमस्तस्मै भगवते वासुदेवाय वेधसे वपुर्ज्ञानमयं सौम्या यन्मुखाम्बुरहासवम्. Translation: I offer my respectful obeisances unto Srila Vyasadeva, the incarnation of Vasudev, who compiled the Vedic scriptures. The pure devotees drink up the nectarian transcendental knowledge dropping from the lotus-like mouth of the Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Shri Krishna Arpanam Samarpayami. Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. Srila Gurudev Ki Jai.